Hello, boys and girls. So, for today's record a video practice, I want you to record a video telling me about what is your favorite hobby. So, a hobby is something that you like to do in your spare time. For example, one of my favorite hobbies is listening to music and singing. I love singing and I love music. So, tell me about something that is your favorite hobby. It could be maybe you like to draw, maybe you like to play with a certain toy, or maybe you love watching movies or playing an instrument. So, to record a video, remember you click in the white rectangle, then you click on the microphone. Then you're going to click on this play button that says audio and video because we want to hear your voice, the audio, and I want to see your face, the video. So click on that. Then, hello. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on this blue button right here that says start recording. So whenever you've thought of what your favorite hobby is, click on the blue button. Hi, I'm Molly, and my favorite hobby is I like to sing and listen to music. Then whenever I'm done, I'll click the blue button, stop. And then you can watch it back if you want. Okay, so if your video is good, then you'll click the blue button again. And the last step that a lot of kiddos forget is you're going to type your name, and you can just put the first letter of your name or your whole name. So I might just put Molly, or I could just type in M for Molly. And then you'll click this blue button that says post, and you're all done. All right, so be sure to tell me a video about what is your favorite hobby, something you like to do in your spare time.